Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about UiPath Web Automation. Let us look at today's agenda. We shall begin with understanding what is web automation. Then we will look at the key features of web automation in UiPath. Further proceeding, we will see how does web automation work in UiPath. And finally, we will look at hands-on and demonstration. Now we'll see what is web automation. The concept of allowing software robot to predefine actions, activities, and procedure on web browser or web application is known as web automation. Web automation can help with operation like form filling, screen scraping, data extraction, and transfer across apps, website, testing, and periodic report preparation. Now we'll see features of web automation. Compatibility. UiPath is compatible with all webs. It is compatible with HTML, Ajax, Java, Silverlight, and PDF. Data entry. Data entry from Excel, a spreadsheet, to website can be automated with UiPath. Web testing. It provides simple web testing without any programming knowledge. UiPath help in designing a valid test. No coding is required. We can create automation with a simple to use graphical workflow designer. Playback precision. UiPath provide 100% playback precision. Web automation can be done regardless of the browser version, a screen position, or size. Now we'll see how does web automation works. In built-in recorder in UiPath, web automation can read and implement web-based activities. It uses a attribute to identify web items and manipulate them accurately while keeping a web page changes. It can be used with any website, no matter how sophisticated, and can be installed remotely through the network. The graphical workflow editor is simple to use and does not require any coding knowledge. It's something that any user with no programming experience can do. You save the time and money by automating web-based workflow with UiPath. So let's look at the demo. Now I'm opening UiPath Studio. You can see the screen. I have already created a flow for time saving. So firstly, I will run this flow and we'll see the output. Then I will describe this flow. So in this workflow, what I'm doing here, I'm extracting the data from one website, that is a Acme. So firstly I run, I will see the output. So I'm running the flow. You can see the screen. Click on the work item. Now what is extracting the all the data like WID, description, type, status, and date. So and it's scraping all the data like here the multi pages available. So you can see the page are changing. If it is completed, then we'll show you the output. Now our process is completed. So we'll see the output. So go to the folders, and you can see here I have created the output folder. You can see all the data are extracted and are right in the Excel sheet. So you can see here the 90 data coming, and go to the website, and you can see here the in the one web page 10 record available, and here is the 9 pages available. You can see. So all the data extracted and right in the Excel sheet. So now we understand the workflow. So you can see here I'm using here the open browser activity here. You can see in the open browser you can only provide the browser type and the URL. And you can, if you want to save the instance of this browser, you can create a variable, and you can save this instance of this browser. You can use the further next workflow or in the further project. So after that, I am using in the open browser do section. I am taking another activity, that is a click button activities. Using this activity, I am clicking on the work item element. Uh, you can see here, and after that, I am using here a scraping data table. You can see here the scraping. In the scraping section, two things are showing: data scraping and table extraction. So I'm using here the data scraping. Using the data scraping, I scrape the data here in the extracted data table, and now I'm write the data table in the Excel sheet. So this is a demo. We'll see all the web automation activities in the upcoming videos. Uh, I hope you understand all the things which I described here. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll try to resolve your query. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.